Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about pipe welding, 45-degree angle joint on MS pipe, 50 mm dia and 3 mm wall thickness by Oxy-Acetylene Welding process.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the development of pipe for 45-degree branch joint. Cut and prepare the pipes as per dimensions. Tack and complete the welding by manipulating the torch and filler rod. Inspect the weld for defects. Let's see the tools required for the welding process. Steel rule, center punch, ball peen hammer, angle grinder, half round file, bench vise, tri-square, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, safety clothing, gloves, PPE kit, nozzle number 7, CCMS filler rod 3 mm, OAW setup, cylinder key, tip cleaner, spark lighter, gas welding goggles. Now let's see the pre-welding process and procedure for development of a 45-degree branch pipe.
Cut the main pipe profile and paste it on the center of the main pipe. Cut the branch pipe profile and paste it on one end of the pipe. Punch mark along the dots of the profile lines. Cut the branch pipe along the profile. Cut the main pipe profile by gas cutting and grinding. Deburr the edges and file the edges. Clean the surface of the pipe to remove any oxide and other contaminants. Set and align the branch pipe with the main pipe at an angle of 45 degrees. Select number 7 nozzle, 3mm CCMS rod and use neutral flame with 0.15 kg per centimeter square pressure for both gases. Tack weld the joint at 4 places with 45-degree intervals and with a 2 mm root gap to ensure root penetration. Check the tack for any defects.
Now let's see the welding process of pipe welding 50 mm length and 3 mm thick pipe in downhand position by Oxy-Acetylene Welding process OAW. Follow necessary safety precautions. Keep the tack welded pipes on the welding table. Ensure the tacked pipe branch joint is positioned properly to make it convenient to control the blowpipe and filler rod without any obstruction. Weld the joint by controlling the blowpipe and filler rod without rotation of the pipe. Maintain keyhole throughout the welding and give side-to-side motion to the blowpipe to ensure good root penetration and fusion of both the edges of the joint. Complete the weld in 4 sectors 1, 2, 3 and 4 along the curved joint using leftward technique. Properly fuse the crater of the previous sector welded with the starting of the new sector. Clean the weld and inspect the weldment for defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of MS pipe welding 45 degrees by OAW process. Inspect for uniform weld size and shape of the hole profile, reinforcement and contour of the joint. Face of the weld is slightly convex. The edges of weld beads are in good fusion, no overlap and no undercut. The penetration and fusion of the surface of pipes. Let's see the defects now. Undercut, blowhole, uneven ripples, improper fusion.
In this topic, we have learned to draw and prepare the profile development of pipe for 45-degree branch joint, cut and prepare the pipes as per dimensions, tack weld, complete the welding by controlling the torch and filler rod. Inspect the weld for any defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!